this is the health report that I'm going to show you on the screen. Honestly, I'm completely shocked. After 5 track days, 20k of normal driving, my brake measurement is basically... Welcome back to my channel, ladies and gentlemen. So if you've been following my channel, you know that I daily drive a 2022 911 Targa 4 GTS. So this video I actually wanted to do for a long time, but I just didn't have a chance to actually do it because I have to wait for my second year interval, which is every year or every 15,000 kilometers, to actually do it. So this is it. Here you go. This is my second service for my 911 Targa 4 GTS. So I just want to kind of go through what we did for my second service, how much it cost, which I'm sure everybody wants to know. So I'm actually really excited to show you what the health report of my car is. After 2 years of normal driving, 20k kilometers, 5 track days. I just can't wait to show you what the health report is. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen, a full breakdown of my second service for my 911. So I did bring it to Porsche Center Oakville. Honestly, shout out to them for giving me a free loaner. It did take them 2 to 3 days because of they were pretty backed up, and then I needed a new tire, which they have to order, and then service was done. So I'm gonna do like a breakdown for you folks. So it's right over here. So job number 1, brake fluid flush. They recommend it every 2 years, so it is bang on 2 years. So they did that, $229. Everything you see is in Canadian. I am from Ontario, so everything you see will be in 13% tax. Braking fluid over here, $60, $56. Environmental fee, I guess that's like for them to dump them. So labor, $229. Parts, so just for the brakes, it's $303. And then right over here is replace the Poland filter, and I think that's every year or every 2 years, I'm not sure. So that's $108 next. So this is where it gets kind of interesting. So loaner vehicle, as mentioned, shout out to them, 0, that's good. I don't know what this is, $20, that's cool. So they did the engine oil filter replacement, replaced the Poland filter, replaced the air intake pre-flyer, diagnostic system, visual inspection of brakes and drive shafts, check headlight adjustment, condition of tires, wipers, horn, blah blah blah. Let's go through that. Good, everything is good. They actually check the travel of brake shoes, which is pretty cool because they make sure like you're not taking too long to actually brake. Of course, they did a test drive, additional maintenance every 2 years, change brake fluids, that's what they did, towel sealing compound, and then that is it. So oil change, that's pretty cheap. There's a cap, sealing ring, all that's pretty typical, $240. That's to get rid of the original oil, so that's $18. Labor, $570, okay. Parts, $240. So that was $828. So it's $828, that's for just the engine oil, and this is for the filter. So around $1,300, give or take. So replace 2 tires. This is just for the balancing and whatnot, because I did have my tires are low, and on the right side it was actually popped. So I did buy the tire and rim package. So as you can see, right over here should be $1,309, and there's a 4-wheel alignment, so it's $475. But because I did do the tire and rim protection, so I don't have to pay $813. Total out the door is $2854, but that includes in 1 tire. So without that, it's around $2,000, give or take. So this is the labor, this is the part, and this is with both tires, right? But because I did have the tire and rim, they only charged me 1, so essentially I'm only paying $28. So last but not least, this is the health report I'm going to show you on the screen. Honestly, I'm completely shocked, so let's break it down. So firstly, let's go for the left. Fluid's good, windshield good, wiper blades good, exterior lights good, tire pressure good, check for warning lights, everything is good. So from what I highlighted, again, I want to emphasize how crazy this is. After 5 track days, 20k of normal driving, my brake measurement is basically brand spanking new. So as you folks know, brand new brakes, 11, 10 millimeters. After all that, I'm at 9. So I don't know if I should brake more or brake way harder on my next track day, but this is just unreal. Before getting this health report, I thought, oh no, maybe next spring I might have to do a new brake job, might be $3,000 to $4,000. Honestly, if I needed to do it, I'm completely okay. Like, it shows me great, it gives me good confidence on a brake, on wet days, any day, on track day. It just doesn't fade away after heavy braking. After the whole track day, even though the brakes are hot, I don't feel the brake actually fading. They're really constant, and if I do hard braking, it does brake on the spot. There's no like wobbling, there's no like pulsation. It's just really good. Honestly, I'm really impressed on health report on my brakes right now. So this is before them doing the tires. So as you know, the front tires, because on the Cayuga track that I really go, it really takes a toll on the left tire. So the left tire is 6mm, right front is 8, left rear and rear is 4, which when I was supposed to change the tires. So right now it's brand spanking new. My next tire to replace probably the left front. Honestly, a huge shout out to Porsche Ophel for giving me a loaner. Huge shout out to Porsche. Like, your car is just outstanding. I asked my sales rep, I was like, am I not braking correctly or what's going on? She just laughed, brushed it off. Honestly, from how I drive, I feel I am braking pretty hard, but maybe I'm not braking hard enough. But do let me know in the comments down below what you think. Have you guys done your first, second, or third service yet? Do share with us how much it costs you, what do you have to replace, and do let me know after 20K and 5 track days, are you impressed of how much brake is left on my car? Last but not least, thanks again for watching this quick video of my second service on my Targa 4 GTS. I am going to do a complete breakdown of my total ownership cost of 2 years in my next video. So if you guys are interested, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to put the notification button on. Have a great day, guys. Peace out.